So firstly, students, the thing is, we always keep thinking about how do we clear RBI Grade B, and one major concern that we have is how can we get good score in the GA section of RBI Grade B exam, right? So that's something which we really have to look into and understand what needs to be done for this particular section, right? So that's the entire strategy that we are going to be dealing with today. So understand one thing, that if you see the study plan out here, okay, which is quite visible, it talks about 4 categories, and in the coming section, I'm going to be talking about what are these 4 categories, right? See, one major concern is how do we cover current affairs? What do we do? It is a section which is very tough, right? These are some of the comments that I hear from the students, and you're right, okay? But there's a way to tackle this particular section. That is what you need to understand, okay? Once you get or crack that code, right, then you'll be able to feel that GA is the most doable section when you talk about RBI Grade B Phase 1 2023 examination. Before you start, I would highly recommend, please have a look at the previous year papers. Why you should have a look at it is because you need to know the understanding of the topics plus the depth of the information. This is of prime importance. Understanding of the topic plus the depth of the information is required for us. Okay, I have seen there are many students who have studied a particular news article, but they weren't able to answer the question in the paper. The reason is the question was asked in depth and they studied that particular news piece on a very superficial level. So you need to know what is the depth at which you need to study, right? Okay, fine. Now comes very important part. And if you want to access it, we have it in our course, past year papers in the form of tests. It is freely available, so don't worry. Even if you're not part of our subscribed or subscription, then you can go and have a look at it. Okay, it's open for all.